Today I'm going to show you how you can make money online listening and transcribing audio, and we're going to start right now. Hi everybody, this is Rifat Abu Hassan from Life Solution Influencer. If this is the first time for you on my channel, we talk about online entrepreneurship, how to make money online and generate passive income so that you can have the lifestyle of your desire. In this channel, we talk about different ways and methods of making money online and generating passive income. So if you're stuck financially and looking for different ways to make money online from home, then make sure to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscription button. I think it's in this direction, because I will share with you here some valuable tips and information on how you can do that. So if you're stuck financially and looking for different ways to make money online from home, then make sure to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscription button. I think it's in this direction, because I will share with you here some valuable tips and information on how you can do that. So today I'm going to show you 4 websites that you can make money with by only listening and transcribing audio. So these websites will give you a file, and then you're gonna take it, listen to it, and then transcribe it into audio. Now I know for some of you may say that I'm slow in typing and the whole process might be slow and boring, but don't worry, I'm going to show you a hack by the end of this video that will make this process super easy and fast to do so. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But let me start to let you know why many companies are paying people to transcribe audio and video files. Well, know that blogging is one of the best ways to make an impact online, and certainly a lot of companies and people are making a lot of money with their blogs. The power thing with blogs is that it's highly searchable via Google. So what people do is that they optimize their blogs to be searchable on search engine, which is called search engine optimization, or SEO. And by doing this, they increase the likelihood of their blogs to appear on the Google search. The problem here is that the search process is based on text only. So if the blog or the page has video or an audio file, Google can't find it because they are not basically searchable, and therefore they can't pull out the information or the content from them. So there is a huge demand from companies and individuals to transcribe their audio and video files into text, because it will massively change the search results for their pages. And that's where the opportunity lays, you guys. A lot of people, a lot of companies nowadays are paying a lot of money for transcribing services. In fact, these sites that I'm going to share with you today, if you put enough effort, you can easily make $1,000 and above from home. So let's jump into these sites, you guys. The first page that we're gonna cover is called Transcribe.com, and this is actually the customers page. So these are basically the steps for customers if they have a file and they want to transcribe it. They even have, I think, an example here of an audio file for you as a customer to check the sample of an audio file and how it's been transcribed by Transcribing. But of course, what we're interested in here, guys, is to apply as transcribers, not as customers. So if we press on transcribers here at the end of the page, we'll be taken to the transcribers page. So if you look at the overview here, you can see that they will pay you. Of course, they will continuously give you the files, and what they will do is they will pay you based on the amount of time that audio file or sometimes a video file is, and per that time you will be paid. So you will be paid anywhere between $5 and $25 per hour audio rate for transcribing. They will also provide you with the free automated transcripts, which will save you approximately 60% of typing effort. But again, as I promised you, that I will provide you with a simple hack that will help you to do that much easier by the end of this video. So make sure to stay with me till the end. Okay, going to the requirement, you can see that here they will require you to have a good comprehension of English and also the ability to interpret conversation and to apply context and identify mistakes. You will need also a verified PayPal account, which is linked to a bank account or a credit card. Also, you will need a laptop or desktop computer which is connected to the internet, and you will also need a headphone or a headset. And actually, if you have a smartphone such as an iPhone, and if you use the headset, you can use the mic that's connected to the headset to speak the audio file that you hear into your note, which will be transcribed automatically, which is a good feature actually, by the way. So going to the top here, we will press apply and it will ask you to log in with your PayPal account, and then you're good to go. The second website that we're going to talk about is called Transcript.com. And this is one of the websites that offer worldwide jobs. And you can see here that well-known businesses and magazines work for them or work with them and partnered with them. And also huge universities here actually are among their customers. So big businesses and educational institutions work with them, which give them credibility, huge credibility and acknowledgement. So if we go down, if we scroll down here to the transcriptionist section, and if we press on work, you can see that their jobs are worldwide. And the good thing is the transcription job is not limited to English. So when you have a worldwide opportunity, it means that you can transcribe different languages in your different audios in your language, or maybe a language that you know. So after that, you can just press apply, and then you will see those different jobs that's available for you. Okay, the next website that we're going to talk about calls Transcribe Anywhere. And this is one of my favorite websites because they offer you a free training. So if you look here in the courses, they offer you free trainings on how to do business of transcription and transcribing audio and video files into text. So if we click on one of them, you will get a free mini course lessons on how to work from home as a transcriptionist and make money online. So you get free mini course containing lessons on how to work as a transcriptionist and make money from home. So if we go down here, you put your details here, and after signing up, you will go through the course, and after you're done with it, you will get set up for the transcription. They will send you a file and you will good to go. The fourth website that we're going to cover calls rev.com, and this site has tons of business in their services, as they worked with many industries in different sectors, from media, education, legal and marketing. And if we scroll down all the way till the bottom, and under about, you will find freelancers here. So if you click it, it will take you to the subscription page where you can start right away after you put your information and your details. So as you can see here, all these sites are kind of similar. Yes, some of them make it easier for you by providing you with some training, but they are more or less are doing the same thing, right? you will be given an audio or a video file to turn into text. So the advantage for you here is to give you some options so that you can decide which one of those to sign up for, or if you're more committed and have more time, you can sign for all 4 of them and get paid from multiple sites. Now I'm going to show you a cool trick that you can use that will save you tons of time and make your transcription process very easy. So what we will do is we'll go to Google Docs, and then we're gonna open a blank document. So what happened normally here is you will listen to your audio file, and then you will type out what you hear in your audio file. Okay, so that's how it will go in a normal scenario. But what we will do here is to, instead of that having you typing everything out, what you will do is you will have your audio files played from your phone into a mic. For example, I have my Lavelle mic here, is connected to my shirt, sorry for that. But what I will do is I will get that mic connected to my iMac or laptop, and then get it played into get the file played from my phone into the microphone, and then get it recognized by Google Docs. Now, if you don't have a separate mic, you can use the mic that's connected to your headphone, and then get that played into your audio file. Of course, you connect that to your computer, and then you get it played. You get the file played from your phone into the mic. So to activate that feature in Google Docs, what you will do is you will go to Tools, and then press Voice Typing. And when you're ready, you just press this mic. I'm just gonna test that. So this is an example of an audio transcription I want to do as part of my search engine optimization of my website, so Google can find my information and optimize my search so that I can get more traffic. So you can see actually it's really accurate in recognition, and that's what will happen when you play the audio file from your phone into the microphone. It will go exactly the same process. Super easy. You can get your file done in no time. And if for any reason you get some error in typing or in recognition, what you will do is you can either repeat that segment back into your mic, or you can just repeat it by your voice and get Google recognize it using your voice. Then you will have your text ready, save it, send it to the transcription site, and boom, get paid for it. And using this method, guys, you can finish tons of work. So take advantage of this fantastic feature, and that's how you can do it super easy, super fast. Now you must understand that these sites may provide good amount of money, but it's still an active income, and you will require to do the work to get paid. But if you are looking for a way that you can create serious amount of money in a passive income and from home, then make sure to check my #1 recommendation in the description down below. This is what I do on a regular basis to make serious amount of money online and from home. So make sure to check that out before you leave. Hey guys, I hope that you got a lot of value from this video. Hit that thumbs up and share the video with others so that they can get value as you do. My name is Rifat Abu Hassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.